A very good morning everyone. Before holidays we have done our chapter number 2 up to exercise 2.1 and 2.2. Now let us start our new exercise 2.3 which is based on multiplication. So let us revise multiplication. As we all know, multiplication means repeated addition of numbers. Multiplication means repeated addition of numbers. So repeated addition means, let us take an example. Take one digit 2 and repeat it 3 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Now, or we can write 2 to repeat on how many times? 3 times. 2 multiply 3 equals to 6. So repeated addition means how many times a number can repeat. Here 2 repeat 3 times. So 2 multiply 3 equals to 6. So this is called multiplicand. This number is called multiplier. This is called product. So in multiplication we have 3 terms: multiplicand, multiplier and product. Now let us revise what is multiplicand, multiplier and product. Let us take an example. 2 multiply 3 equals to 6. This number is called multiplicand. So the number to be multiplied. So what is multiplicand? The number to be multiplied. Here 2 is called the multiplicand. Next, multiplier. So what is multiplier? Multiply is the number by which we multiply. So in this 3 is called the multiplier. Next is product. So the result we obtained after multiplication is called product. Here 2 multiply 3 equals to 6. 6 is called the product, the result we obtained after multiplication. Now let us start our exercise 2.3. In this exercise we learned about multiplication of 5-digit number with 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Let us start with our exercise 2.3. Here the first question is multiply. We have given a 5-digit number and a 2-digit number. So arrange the numbers according to place value chart. Means you have to write the places on the digits. Here we have 5-digit number, ones place, tens place, 100, 1000, 10,000. Here we have 56,704. Next number is 39. This number is called multiplicand. Multiplicand. And this number is called multiplier. Now start multiplication from ones place. 9 fours are 36. Write down 6 as it is and 3 carry goes to tens place. 9 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3, 3. 9 sevens are 63. Write down 3 as it is. 6 carry goes to 10,000 place. 9 6 are 54. 54 and 6, 60. Write down 0 as it is and 6 carry goes to 10,000 place. 9 5s are 45. 45 and 6, 51. Now erase the first carriers. Now put multiplication sign. Do multiplication with 3. 3 fours are 12. 2 as it is and 1 carry goes to tens place. 3 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 3 sevens are 21. 1 as it is and 2 carry goes to 10,000 place. 3 6 are 18. 18 and 2, 20. Here 0 as it, write down 0 as it is. 2 carry goes to 10,000 place. 3 5s are 15. 15 and 2, 17. Now do addition. Brought it down 6 as it is. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 and 1, 4. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 5 and 7, 12. And 2 carry goes 1 and 1, 2. And this is called product. Also, one thing you always remember in your mind was that always start multiplication from ones place. Ones place carry goes to tens place. Tens place carry goes to hundred place. Hundred place carry goes to thousand place. And thousand place carry always goes to 10,000 place. Now C part. Write down the places on the digits. Ones place, tens place, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Here is 43,219. Multiply by 7. 7 nines are 63. Write down 3 and 6 carry goes to tens place. Here ones place carry goes to tens place. 7 ones are 7. 7 and 6, 13. Write down 3 and tens place carry goes to hundred place. 7 twos are 14. 14 and 1, 15. Write down 5. Here 100 place carry goes to 10,000 place. 7 threes are 21. 21 and 1, 22. Write down 2 as it is. And 2 carry goes to 10,000 place. 1000 place carry goes to 10,000 place. 4 sevens are 28. 28 and 2, 30. Now start with E part. Here we have 3-digit numbers. So write down places on the digit. Ones place, tens place, hundred place. Here the first number is 213. Next number is 105. Now start multiplication. Always start from ones place. 5 threes are 15. Write down 5 as it is. And ones place carry goes to tens place. 5 ones are 5. 5 and 1, 6. 5 twos are 10. Now put multiplication sign. Again start from 0. 0 threes are 0. 0 ones are 0. 0 twos are 0. Next, put 2 multiplication sign for third digit. Now starting always from ones place. 1 threes are 3. 1 ones are 1. 2 ones are 2. Now do addition. Brought it down 5 as it is. 6 plus 0, 6. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 3, 3. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 and 1, 2. Brought it down 2 as it is. Now E part. Here we have 5-digit number and 3-digit number. So write the places on the digits. Ones place, tens place, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Here 47,861. Do multiplication with 326. Now start from ones place. 6 ones are 6. 6 sixes are 36. Write down 3 as it is. Now I part. In I part we have 5-digit number and 3-digit number. So write down places on the digits. Ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousand place and 10,000 place. Here 47,861. Do multiplication with 326. Now starting from ones place. 6 ones are 6. 6 sixes are 36. Write down 6 as it is. And 3 carry goes to 100 place. 6 eights are 48. 48 and 3, 51. Write down 1 as it is. And 5 carry goes to 10,000 place. 6 sevens are 42. 42 and 5, 47. 7 as it is. And 4 carry goes to 10,000 place. 6 fours are 24. 24 and 4, 28. Now erase first carries. Now start it from 2. 2 ones are 2. Put multiplication sign here. 2 ones are 2. 2 six are 12. Write down 2 as it is, and tens place carry goes to 100 place. 2 eights are 16. 16 and 1 17. Write down 7 as it is, and carry goes to 10,000 place. 2 sevens are 14. 14 and 1 15. Write down 5, and 1 carry goes to 10,000 place. 2 fours are 8. 8 and 1 9. Write down 2 multiplication sign. Start it from 3. Erase next carries. 3 ones are 3. 3 six are 18. 1 carry goes to 100 place. 3 eights are 24. 24 and 1 25, and 2 carry goes to 10,000 place. 3 sevens are 21. 21 and 2 21 and 2 23, and 2 carry goes to 10,000 place. 3 fours are 12. 12 and 2 14. Then do addition. Wrote it down 6 as it is. 6 plus 2 8. 1 plus 2 3. 3 and 3 6. 7 and 7 14. 14 and 8 22. 2 as it is. 2 carry write down here. 5 and 5 10. 10 and 8 18. 18 and 2 20. Write down 0 as it is. 2 carry write down here. 9 and 2 11. 11 and 3 14. 14 and 2 16. Here 6 as it is. 1 carry goes here. 4 and 1 5, and 1 brought it down as it is. Next key part, here we have 4 digit number. So write down places on the digits. Ones place, tens place, 100, 1000. Here we have 3,476, 2,987. Now do multiplication. 7 6 are 42. Write down 2 as it is. 4 carry goes to tens place. 7 sevens are 49. 49 and 4 53. Write down 3 as it is. 5 carry goes to 100 place. 7 fours are 28. 28 and 5 33. Write down 3 as it is, and 3 carry goes to 10,000 place. 7 threes are 21. 21 and 3 24. Now write multiplication sign here. Erase all the carries. Again start it from 8. 8 6 are 48. Write down 8 as it is, and 4 carry goes to 10,000 place. 8 sevens are 56. 56 and 4 60. Write down 0 as it is. 6 carry goes to 100 place. 8 fours are 32. 32 and 6 38. Write down 8 as it is. 3 carry goes to 10,000 place. 8 threes are 24. 24 and 3 27. Now write 2 multiplication sign and erase all the carries. Start it from 9. 9 6 are 54. Write down 4 as it is, and 5 carry goes to tens place. 9 sevens are 63. 63 and 5 68. Write down 8 as it is, and 6 carry goes to 100 place. 9 fours are 36. 36 and 6 42. Write down 2 as it is, and 4 carry goes to 10,000 place. 9 threes are 27. 27 and 4 it becomes 31. Now put 3 multiplication sign. Now start it. Erase all the carries. Start it from 2. 2 6 are 12. 1 carry goes to 10,000 place. 2 sevens are 14. 14 and 1 15. 1 carry goes to 100 place. 2 fours are 8. 8 and 1 9. 2 threes are 6. Now do addition. Brought it down 2 as it is. 3 and 8, 11. Write down 1 carry here. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 and 4, 7. 7 and 1, 8. 4 and 8, 12. 12 and 8, 20. 20 and 2, 22. Write down 2 as it is. 2 and 7, 9. 9 and 2, 11. 11 and 5, 16. 16 and 2, 18. Write down 1 carry here. 2 and 1, 3. 3 and 9, 12. 12 and 1, 13. Write down 3 here. 1 carry. 3 and 6, 9. 9 and 1, 10. Now question number 2 is find the product. Here the first part is 6,78,954. Multiply this number by 1. When we multiply any number by 1, we will get the same number as it is. So when we multiply 6,78,954 by 1, we will get the same number 6,78,954 as it is. So write down 6,78,954 ones are 6,78,954. Now B part is 13,04,079. Multiply this number by 10. So first multiply this number by 0. When we multiply any number by 0, we will get the answer 0. So multiply 13,04,079 by 0. Answer comes out to be 0. Then do multiplication with 1. When we multiply any number by 1, we will get the same number as it is. So multiply 13,04,079 by 1. It comes out to be 13,04,079. Now C part, multiply 17,864 by 1. So 17,864 ones are 17,864. Now do multiplication with 0. When we multiply any number with 0, answer comes out to be 0. So 17,864 multiply 0, answer comes out to be 0. D part is your homework. Third question is using suitable grouping find the product. So with the help of grouping method, we have to do multiplication. Grouping means you have to take two numbers together. So the first part is 4 multiply 329 multiply 25. So with the help of grouping method, we solve this problem. So taken two number together, take first number and last number together. So write down 4 multiply 25 and write down 329 in last. So multiply 25 by 4. 25 fours are 100. So 100 multiply 329. So first do multiplication with 0. When you multiply any number with 0, answer comes out to be 0. So 0 multiply by 329, answer is 0. Again multiply by 0, answer is 0. Now do multiplication with 1. 1 multiply 329. When you multiply any number by 1, we will get the same number as it is. So 1 multiply 329, answer comes out to be 329. Now C part, take first number and last number. 8 multiply 125. Write down brackets, multiply, write down 234. Now do multiplication of 125 by 8. 8 5s are 40. Write down 0 and 4 carry goes to tens place. 8 2s are 16. 16 and 4 20. Write down 0. 2 carry goes to 100 place. 8 1s are 8. 8 and 2 10. Answer comes out to be 1000. Multiply 234. When you multiply any number by 0, answer comes out to be 0. So 0 multiply 234, answer is 0. Again multiply by 0, 234, answer is 0. 0 multiply 234, answer is 0. Now multiply by 1. 1 multiply 234, answer is 234. Now E part, take 2 and 500. Take first and last digit. 2 multiply 500. Write down brackets. Multiply 4897. Now do multiplication of 500 with 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 fives are 10. Answer comes out to be 1000. Multiply 4897. Now do multiplication of 0 with 4897. Answer is 0. 0 multiply 4897. Again answer is 0. 0 multiply 4897. Again answer is 0. Now do multiplication with 1. 1 multiply 4897. Answer is 4897. Now F part. Take 4 and 125. 4 multiply 125. Write down brackets. Then multiply 5, 6, 3, 2. 5632. Now multiply 125 by 4. 4 5s are 20. 2 carry goes to tens place. 4 2s are 8. 8 and 2 10. Write down 0. 1 carry goes to 100 place. 4 1s are 4. 4 and 1 5. Answer is 500. 500 multiply 5632. Now when you multiply any number by 0, answer comes out to be 0. Then do multiplication of 0 with 5632. Answer is 0. Now multiply 5632 by 5. 5 2s are 10. 1 carry goes to tens place. 5 3s are 15. 15 and 1 16. And 1 carry goes to 100 place. 5 6 are 30. 30 and 1 31. 3 carry goes to 10,000 place. 5 5s are 25. 25 and 3 28. So answer is 28160. Now question number 4 is, there are 5467 apartments in a society. Each apartments pay rupees 525 for maintenance per month. How much amount is collected every month for the maintenance? In this question we have given total apartments in a society. We have 5467. Apartment means flats. So total flats in a society we have 5467, and each apartment pays rupees 525 for maintenance per month. Means every apartment pays rupees 525 for repairing of the society. Maintenance means for repairing. How much amount is collected every month for the maintenance? So we have to find the amount collected every month for the repairing of society. So write down total apartments in a society. We have 5467. Write down the places on the digits: ones, tens, 100, 1000. And the total money paid by each apartment equals to rupees 525. So we have to find the total amount collected every month. So for this you have to perform multiplication, and multiplication you have to do it yourself. Next question is fifth question. The cost of one LCD TV is rupees 67,890. What is the cost of 24 such LCD TVs? We are given the cost of one LCD TV. So write down cost of one LCD TV is 67,890. So write down places on the digits: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. And cost of 24 LCD TVs. Then to find the cost of many things, what we have to do? We have to do multiplication. So multiply 67,890 by 24. Multiply, you have to do it yourself.